One of the strangest mysteries in the Bible appears right before the flood. In Genesis chapter 6, a shocking statement appears. The sons of God saw the daughters of men that they were beautiful, and they took wives of all they chose. Genesis 6 verse 2. Then the passage says something even stranger. There were giants in the earth in those days, when the sons of God came into the daughters of men. Genesis 6 verse 4. So the question scholars have debated for centuries is simple. Who were the sons of God? Some believe they were fallen angels who crossed into the human world. Others say they were the descendants of Seth, the godly line of Adam. And a third theory says they were ancient kings or rulers claiming divine status. But the text also connects this event to the Nephilim, the giants of the ancient world, which raises a deeper question. Did something happen before the flood that history was never meant to remember? What do you think? Subscribe for more biblical mysteries and theology unlocking.